Hey YouTube, Gecko Guy here, coming at you with just driving footage of my Dromida B4.1 buggy. Just doing a little off-road bashing here. So I had to really reduce the audio in this one. I was out there with at least 20-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and I was just getting nothing but wind buffeting. So this is why I'm doing a voiceover. So I had said that I stripped the servo. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I know I mentioned it on the Ultimate RC forum. And Hobbico was nice enough to not only send me a replacement servo, but aluminum shocks. And they sent me aluminum fronts and then a set of regular rears. And it looks like they filled them with something other than stock oil. It feels a little bit heavier than thicker than what I'm using, which is 60 weight. I'm kind of wondering if they put 80 to 100 weight in there. So this is what I'm running. And also, this car is actually pretty easy to work on, just a couple of screws. It's mostly Phillips head, and then a couple of hex heads for the shocks. And I did bring my my ramps to the bash site here, but unfortunately it was so windy out that they would have gotten blown with a little bit of wind. But so far it's handling really nicely off-road. Steering could have been a little better. That's full dual rates. But then again, it does handle a lot better than my mini high roller off-road. So I'm pretty impressed so far with this buggy. And right here, the steering rack just kind of popped out. Jump it up the table. It's also capable of laying on grass, just finely cut grass like this. I wouldn't recommend doing that in the middle of summer though. It was about 40 degrees outside, plus winds. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. As always, see you next time.